Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's performance is something I don't want to say with all my mind, because if I say it, I think a lot of people will get angry, because what we witnessed here at the stadium was very disappointing. It was a shameful performance, extremely shameful. The players played as if there's nothing at stake. They played as if they don't have a coach. It was a very disappointing performance, I tell you. Come for the ball, you won't come. Give accurate passes, you won't give. Tackle ball, you won't. Great Olympics played as if they are playing against secondary school children. It was a very disappointing performance from the boys. I'm sure that if the fans were here, they would have booed them off the pitch. This is a very disappointing performance. I am not happy at all. I am very angry. I am infuriated. I am pissed. I am disappointed. This team, I think we have a long way to go, because we can't match the quality of teams in the CAF Confederation Cup, talk less of teams in the CAF Champions League. I think if we play against Al Hilal, it would be a miracle if we go to the next stage, because what I saw here today was nothing to write home about. It was very disappointing. I don't think anybody will be pleased, any Kotoko fan will be pleased. If you watch the game, I don't think any fans will be pleased with what they saw here. The performance was below par. The midfield was empty. Great Olympics was walking the midfield, controlling the midfield. We tried to dictate the tempo of the game, but we couldn't, because our setup isn't the best. It is not good at all. William Obuku Mensah, Kwame Boku, they were isolated up front, midfield. The gap between them and the from the striking to the midfield, striking position to the midfield position, it was too large. It was empty. It was ineffective. It wasn't good at all. So, Great Olympics here secured a 1-0 win against Asante Kotoko, and it was very bad. Everybody here saw it and they said this is not something you should associate with Kotoko, because it was very disappointing, shameful, and very bad. I think Master Konode will have to talk to his boys or change the tactics, because everybody here, the fans here, the journalists here that are supporting Kotoko are not happy. Everyone is very angry. They expected more from the team. The only positive from this game is Abdul Ganyu and Habib Mohammed. They did pretty fine to stop some, because it would have been like 3-0 or 4-0. They did pretty good, not very well. They did pretty good, and I think it's a very disappointing performance today from the team. I'm not happy at all. So I think that's all for today. If you are new here, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and tell me what you think. Great Olympics beat Asante Kotoko 1-0 here at the Accra Sports Stadium. So that's all for today. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.